Alright, my Tabor City home here, and today we are doing an unboxing video on a McGraw 20-gallon oil lube vertical air compressor. We picked this up at Harbor Freight yesterday. Regularly retails at $1.99, I believe. The coupon that I had sent to me was $1.65, I think. As you can see, we have it on a hand truck. The reason we have it on a hand truck is the shipping weight on this is 99 pounds. So it's a pretty robust compressor as far as the weight goes. So the reason I'm doing an unboxing video on this is I was a little bit turned off when I went to Harbor Freight in that I asked them, because it doesn't say anywhere on the package whether or not this comes with the oil to actually operate the compressor. So I bought a additional bottle of oil for it, but if anybody else is in the same situation I'm in, where they go get this compressor and they want to know whether or not the box itself comes with the container of oil and exactly how it's set up in the box, then hopefully this will clue you into that. So go ahead and open this thing up. See what we got in here. So, got our standard styrofoam, operator's manual. Looks like we got some pieces there for assembly. I'll take this out and set it over to the side. And then, let's see, we got this whole thing down here in a box. Yeah, let's just open the box and see what we got. So we're just going to cut down through the side of this box here. Let's see. So this is the way it's packaged. It's in the box. Has this cardboard sleeve around it. I'm not seeing any bottles of oil in here yet. Alright. Some plastic on top of it. It looks like it's probably pretty well put together. The wheels are missing off the back of it. So let's see what we got here. So there you go, 30 weight non-detergent compressor oil. So the unit does come with a bottle of oil, and you do not have to buy any additional oil, which, like I said, I did, and when I was in the store yesterday, buy the additional oil. Yeah, let's give me a minute to put this thing together and we'll see what we got. Alright, so we're back on what you have to do for the assembly part of the unboxing of the McGraw 20-gallon 135 PSI air compressor. So the wheels for the unit are located in the styrofoam that's on the bottom of the unit. The lugs that hold them in are located in the top, as well as this air filter. So realistically, this was pretty easy to get this thing squared away in here. I just go out in the garage and get the tools to do this. I just grabbed something out of the junk drawer. Alright. So we've already got that wheel over there tightened up. I got those done. Now you come over this side of the unit and you see the hole here. So the air filter screws in there. And then the last thing you have to do is put the oil in the unit. So the oil as I said, you get a bottle of oil with the in it. Balancing this camera on my knee while I do this. That's why it looks like you're in the ocean. Alright. Now, we're gonna add the oil. Sorry, that's out of frame. And what we're looking for while we add this oil is there's a sight glass here. And you can see the oil starting to come into the sight glass. And what we're looking for is for that oil to be halfway up that sight glass. So starting to get some rise out of it. And I'm gonna imagine, I mean, it would just be good business practice to put the perfect amount of oil in this thing. Get it where it needs to be. And I would say, yeah, I'd say that's what they did. That bottle's in there. And that oil, you can see they got a little diagram right here that shows you where you see that they got a little diagram here that shows you where the oil level should be, and the oil level's there. So we could screw this cap back in. And that's it. I mean, at that point you were ready to turn this thing on and use it. So McGraw 20 gallon 135 PSI air compressor. I mean, realistically, there's 4 things to do to it when you get it out of the box. I would say it's packaged pretty well. Well, yeah, I'd be happy with that so far. Alright, so my Tabor City home, you guys have a good day.